sketch the graph of the function f of x equals this piecewise function, x squared if x is less than or equal to 1, and 2x plus 1 if x is greater than 1. So to graph a piecewise defined function, we just need to sketch each definition separately, but only for those values of x that the function is defined as that. And so let's go ahead and start by just drawing our axes. So we've got our y-axis and our x-axis. And then we can start sketching these. I'll start with our x squared. And I'm going to sketch this in red. So the graph of x squared, this is a parabola. And I know what that looks like. I know it's got my vertex down there, and it kind of curves up to the left, and it kind of curves up to the right. Okay, let's go ahead and draw on our scaling here. So let's say that's 1, negative 1, and there's 1. And I have that parabola, but I only have that when x is less than or equal to 1. Going over to 1, that means right here, I am cutting my graph off to the right of that. And so let's go ahead and get rid of that portion to the right, because I only want the parabola when x is less than or equal to 1. Notice that it's less than or equal to 1, which means that I actually do have that filled in point right there. Okay. For the next portion of the graph, I've got a 2x plus 1. This is a line with a y-intercept of 1 and a slope of 2. And so I can draw that. I'm going to go ahead and draw that in blue. I know I'd be going through 1 and a slope of 2, so I could go up 2 and over 1. That would give me another point. And then I can draw a line through those. And let's hope that I can do this nicely through those 2 points. That's the idea. Okay. But again, I actually only have the line when x is greater than 1. So all this stuff on the left, I have, I can get rid of that, and don't have any of these points up until the 1. Okay. And at the 1, it's only when x is greater than 1. That means that this point right here is going to be a hole. And so this is the graph of this piecewise function.